Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Basic to Finance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Banana Republic credit card account using your desktop. If you'd like to get access to your Banana Republic credit card account and you'd like to pay your bills, make a transaction, check your score, or simply manage your account, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. Soon after you do that, go to the top of the screen and in the search box, type in bananarepublic.syf.com. Press enter on your keyboard and you'll end up in this page over here. You can simply go ahead and type in your user ID in the first text box where it says access your account. Type in your user ID in the first text box that appears on the screen and head over to the next field and type in your password for your account. You can double check your password by clicking on this little show link or the eye icon at the right corner. If you'd like the system to remember your user ID, you can check this remember user ID box so that next time you log into your account, you won't have to type in your user ID again and again. The system will remember it for you. But if you're using a public device or a shared computer, leave it unchecked before moving on. In case you've forgotten your user ID, you can click on the user ID link beneath the secure login button. Follow the on-screen prompts in order to look for your user ID. Similarly, if you happen to forget your password during the process, you can reset to a new password by clicking on the password link right next to user ID link. Finally, if you are done typing in your credentials and you're ready to log into your credit card account for Banana Republic, click on the secure login button and that is how you can easily do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.